Have you ever wondered what the secret to happiness is? Is it an elusive concept that is as ephemeral as a wisp of smoke? Or is it something tangible that can be measured, studied, and understood? This enigmatic subject has been the focal point of numerous scientific research and studies. It turns out the pursuit of happiness is not just a philosophical or poetic endeavor, it is a scientific one as well. In the realm of psychology, a field known as positive psychology has emerged, focusing on the study of happiness or subjective well-being. Dr. Martin Seligman, often regarded as the father of positive psychology, suggests that happiness can be broken down into three components: pleasure, engagement, and meaning. Pleasure is the feel-good part of happiness. Engagement refers to living a good life of work, family, friends, and hobbies. Meaning refers to using our strengths to contribute to a larger purpose. In a study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology, it was found that individuals who pursued pleasure, engagement, and meaning were the happiest. So it seems happiness is not just about feeling good, it's about being engaged in what you're doing and finding purpose in it. Neuroscientists have also delved into the study of happiness. They've discovered that certain areas in our brain, such as the prefrontal cortex and the amygdala, play a significant role in our emotions and mood. A study in Nature Neuroscience found that people who are generally happier have more activity in the left prefrontal cortex, while those who tend to be less happy have more activity in the right prefrontal cortex. Our genetics also play a role in our happiness. In a study published in the Journal of Neuroscience, it was found that a gene variant known as 5-HTTLPR can influence our happiness levels. Individuals with two long versions of this gene reported higher levels of life satisfaction compared to those with one or two short versions. However, it's important to note that our genes are not our destiny. Research suggests that about 50% of our happiness is determined by our genes, but the rest is up to us. Another fascinating area of research is the impact of our relationships on our happiness. A study from Harvard University, one of the longest studies on happiness, has shown that close relationships, more than money or fame, are what keep people happy throughout their lives. Those who are more socially connected to family, friends, and community are happier, healthier, and live longer than people who are less well connected. In essence, the science suggests that happiness is a complex interplay of our genes, our brains, our relationships, and our pursuit of meaning, engagement, and pleasure. It is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but a deeply personal and individual experience. So to summarize, the secret to happiness, according to science, lies in understanding and nurturing our relationships, engaging in activities that we find meaningful and enjoyable, and acknowledging the role our brains and genes play in our emotional state. It's about finding the balance between pleasure, purpose, and our own personal context. In the end, the pursuit of happiness is a lifelong journey, a personal quest that we each must undertake. And while the path may be different for each of us, the destination remains the same, a life filled with joy, fulfillment, and happiness.